Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Half Acre Homestead Outdoors. We're gonna get out here and show you around a little bit. We're working on some projects. Been working on a chicken barn. Built it out of pallets I got off a guy on YouTube. I'll have to put his link here in a little bit and turn you around. But this is what we've been building. I know we ain't been on here in a while, but we're getting ready to start doing a lot more videos. Chickens are all doing good. Get in here, girl. We're going to start doing a lot more videos. We're going to build this. It's going to, up here we're going to have a hayloft. Sorry about that. And then we're going to, this here is going to be a pen. Right here is going to be a pen. And we're going to have 3 over here. But I got this idea off a guy, it's a pallet barn, off a guy on YouTube. Well, off this, I'll have to put his link in here in a little while. But we're gonna get her going. Gonna have a lot more videos. We're gonna do a lot of moving around. All this stuff here is gonna be moved. We're gonna tear this barn down. We're gonna use all the material off it on this one. Got a bunch of little babies over here. Got one out, got 2 out. I don't know how they got out. Yeah, the gate's open. But got some goats. This barn in here, it just stays so wet and muddy. We're gonna move it. We hope all y'all join back in. We're gonna try to get videos out. I'm gonna try to get one out today and tomorrow. What we're doing, we cleaned up all this, starting to clean all this up over here. We're gonna turn them hoop coops, we're gonna turn them around where the doors are facing that way. I'm gonna move them back a little bit. And I'm gonna take that one out yonder and put it over here. We got that's a new goat there. He's about 6, 7 weeks old. Punky, Latte, Spice, she's fixing to have babies. Don't know when, but she's fixing to have them. But yeah, we're gonna have a lot of stuff coming up. A lot of videos. These chickens, they'll beat you. They'll beat you out of this yard. It's like a swamp. We had all this here and it lotted up. Had all this right here was a lot at one time, part of the chicken lot. But we've moved it over because you can see you can't get the lawnmowers. We got crawfish in our yard. I don't see any today. Generally they got little hills all over the place. Yeah, the next video will be a little bit more on it. I might try to video some of it today while I'm working on it. But we just want to let you all know we're going to start back up. I know I ain't been on here in a while. Sorry about that, but had a lot of stuff going on. My dad passed away back in the fall, and been dealing with that and stuff, but we're gonna get back after it. So we hope all y'all join back in. Like and share and subscribe. Tell your friends and your family. But we're gonna get back into it pretty good. So I hope all of y'all join in. We're gonna jump off here and get busy, and we'll catch all y'all later. We'll see you now. You hear?